Alright, so the unofficial review of the AEE Sparrow 2, which is also the ShadowPro drone, where that's what it's mostly known by. If you buy it at Fry's, it's the AEE Sparrow 2, for some reason. Yeah, let's take off, huh? Alright, so I haven't been able to get the camera to actually record to the phone yet. But she's quite steady in the air. I'll just fly her around a little bit. Can you even see her? Yeah, there she is. Right. So I've flown it a little bit already. Maybe we can see the controller there. Yeah, it's down to 11.9. It started at almost 13, like 12.9. So we've gone down a volt. I think we could get down to like 11.1 or something. It's where it shut off before. It tells you on the phone to charge it. Hey, look, it's facing us now. Now it's getting kind of towards us. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, hello. It's got lights and everything. It's also got a return to home function if you hold the button right up here. Let's see what happens. It's gonna start looking for home. Oh! No, it goes backwards. Let's see how close to the landing pad it'll get. Well, that's where we took off, folks. That's where it got us back to. We didn't even fly that far, so no, I'll give it a couple feet. It at least got me back to, like, you know, where I could get to it, you know.